Training. The long distance 3. Try natin tamaan o totoso. One. Oh. Two target. The long distance 3. Two target. Training is excellent. The good performance today. Training style weapon. No edit, no chamba. The metal is true. Very long distance. Target. Bullseye. Hidden natin. Dahil malayo. Hidden natin. Malayo yan. Hindi natin. Yan ang target. Malayo siya. Yan. Malayo yan. Yang say. Pero kaya siyang tumusok. Susunod, lalayon ko pang target. Kung aabot pa yung metal na say weapon. Kasi kailangan mabigat. Okay? Tuning, excellent. No chamba. The metal is true. Sayo weapon from Japan. Okay. See you later, guys. Philippines, let me show. Abangan nyo bukas ang aking post. Thank you very much for watching. Simple demonstration. Coach Sartor Cadilla, SGM, Senior Grandmaster Martial Arts. Spin throwing, the king of target. Thank you very much for watching.